Here's how to record your desktop screen with audio. A tutorial for teachers.
So again, just open your laptop with you. After that, you need to go to the Google browser. Okay, so after opening the Google browser, you just need to type there iSpring Cam free download. Okay, so iSpring free cam download. So after that one, so you click on the second one. Okay, so there you can have the free download for this particular app. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see the tab for download. Okay, so that's it. So the green one, you just click on the download now. So after downloading, you need to install it. Okay, so after installing, so you're ready. So in my case, I already downloaded it. So let's try. So we are going to see here the iSpring FreeCam download. Okay. So once we click on the iSpring FreeCam download, click on the new recording. Okay, so just click on the new recording. After that, we can adjust the screen. Okay, so if we want to make it a full screen, we can do that one, or a half screen, we can do it also. But in my case, I will be choosing the full screen. So let's make it full screen. Okay, so after making it full screen, just click on there's a button there for sounds, and there's a button also for the record. So just click on the red button for the record. Okay, so it will give you the signal, and that's it. You can start recording your videos. So for example, I have my PowerPoint. Okay, so I have the PowerPoint, then I'm going to explain it. Okay, so for example, good afternoon everyone. I am here to discuss about the Republic Act number 7796, the rules and regulations implementing the TESDA Act of 1994. Then you can continue explaining your video with all the the following slides that you have. So in every slide, you can just give a short explanation. So again, you must have a prepared slide. You can also put some pictures in your slides so that when you try to explain it, the students can follow. Okay. So as you can see, you just continue clicking on the slides until you finish all the explanations and so on. So after clicking all the slides, explaining everything about the PowerPoint, let's try to check already. Okay, you just try to click on escape. Okay, you have the button on your laptop which means escape, or the ESC. Okay, so which means that is the end of your recording. Okay, so that's the ending of your recording. Okay. So once you have it escape, you can see this button already here. Okay, so you can edit. Okay, meaning you can crop the videos that are not related when it comes to your PowerPoint. Okay, and when you're going to play with it, so you can upload it in YouTube also. Okay, or you can just save it as a video. Okay, so after saving it as a video, you can already play your video recording. Okay, So we just need to click on the save button, then you can continue exporting your video. So you just need to wait until it will be exported, and afterward you can immediately watch the video that you have recorded in your screen.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Republic Act number 7796, which talks about the rules and regulations implementing the TESDA Act